The massive open online course on economic geography offered through SWAYAM introduces learners to these spatial foundations of economic life. As you see, cities don't boom by accident, countries don't get rich by luck. There is a pattern behind where factories grow and why ports thrive. How climate shapes market. For instance, do you wonder that a narrow sea route, when blocked, influences fuel prices far away countries, and delay at one port affects industries in other countries? Do you know why Dubai is a global hub with no rivers, oil and farmland? Isn't it wonder? Why droughts of one country affects prices of bread in other countries? Why Tesla built factories in Shanghai, Berlin and Texas but not anywhere? That is the power of location, and economic geography helps us understand these hidden connections.